Hello investors and traders, welcome to the video blog series of Elliott Wave Forecast. Here's Helgi and today is 5th of April. I will address today the question if one should invest money in the largest beer stock. As many people in Europe know that InBev is the largest company, Anheuser-Busch in US is the largest company, was the largest company, and also SAB Miller from South Africa was big one, big player. InBev from Brazil was a big player. All of them are now part of AB InBev, which is the largest beer stock in the world. Now, here we see the history. It has been formed 2008 through InBev merging with Anheuser-Busch, and before it was a merger between Interbrew from Belgium and InBev from Brazil. Also, it has acquired SAB Miller, and today it owns approximately 630 beer brands in 150 countries. The main base is in Leuven in Belgium, but there are also regional headquarters like in Bremen in Germany, Mexico City, in New York, also Johannesburg, London, Sao Paulo, and others. The main listing is at Euronext Brussels under ticker ABI. However, many of traders can be trading it also at New York Stock Exchange under BUT, which is linked to the Budweiser, and INB in Mexico City. So there are also other secondary listings, but main are in Euronext and at New York Stock Exchange. Now let's take a look what is about the publicity here on Anheuser-Busch, but which is traded in the US. You see here 9,000 watchers. Also in Europe under ABI, there are also follows, but in StockTwits we use here the American ticker, but 9,000 watchers, also popular. Now the wave structure in the stock, using here the main listing ABI at Euronext, we see off the lows a clear impulse. Impulse is a continuation pattern, meaning after impulse has ended and correction has ended, we expect more upside. Within this impulse, wave 3 in red shows clear extension. If we use the 0 and take this as a wave 1 and the wave 2, then we went far beyond 1618. The extension is called when we pass 1618, so therefore this confirms to be wave 3, then pullback and a new high with divergence. Of the lows from the November 2015, it has lost 3/4 of the price. For investors should be very interesting, because if we call for another leg higher and it should make new all-time highs and it has lost 3/4 of the price, then buying here you can double, triple, or even make more money than you risk. Now from the lows of March 2020, where we call the important bottom, we expect now another leg higher in a wave 3 in blue. What are the targets? Using full 100% extension based on 1 and 2, we can expect long term to reach towards 153 to 229. So this is the area. Also, wave 3 in blue can extend beyond 1618, like it was in case of 3 in red, and can reach 2618 or in between 2.0. So going one by one, after reaching 230, it can reach 277, and then it can reach even 354 long term. Now, how to trade it in the short to medium term? Investors technically can buy it already at current levels, because buying at 61 and expecting to reach towards 100%, 153 is more than double or even triple in price. However, for traders with short stops, you can be watching first 5 waves of the lows to end wave 1, and then after ending wave 1 in red, pullback in wave 2 should become a buy in 3 or 7 swings against 29 or 25. So therefore, here, short-term traders should be waiting still to end wave 1, and once A and B will be finished, then one can project full 100% extension to buy C of 2 for more upside into wave 3. Investors can buy it here, put stop below 29 or 25, and watch the price action, because there's possibility that instead of making here diagonal like we show here in the more conservative view, it can still make a wave 3 extension higher, wave 4, 5 to end wave 1, and pullback in wave 2 will be much higher than we are now. Therefore, current price action, current prices can offer already good entry levels and expecting more upside. So the target higher based on 1 and 2 remains the same, 153 to 129. You can learn more about AB InBev stock on our homepage. You can visit our homepage and check the latest blogs. Also, there are different categories where you can scroll through. There are free resources like Elliott Wave theory, free articles, position size calculator, and also don't hesitate to take a trial, 14 days for $10. You can cancel anytime. First-time subscribers are welcome to try our services, and see you in the next video blog. Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye.